Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the on-off rotary switch in the KitchenAid trash compactor. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new on-off rotary switch kit, which includes the switch itself, the washer, the lock nut, and two switch knobs. If you see, they are different. The inserts on a different angle, depends on the switch installation. The on-off rotary switch kit allows you to operate the trash compactor. The main reason why the trash compactor on-off rotary switch should be replaced is if it's broken, making it impossible to turn the compactor on and off. Push the pedal down, pull out the container, lift it up, and disengage the rear rollers, and you can take it away. Pull off the switch knob. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two Phillips screws that holds the control panel. Then we're going to pull it up a little bit and take off. Next, using the needle nose pliers, unscrew the locking nut from inside here, turning it counterclockwise. And remove the switch and the bracket. Now, using the flat blade screwdriver, we're going to remove the wires from the rotary switch. Here's the old switch. This is the old on-off rotary switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Connect the wires to the rotary switch. The wires are color-coded, and if you can see, the terminals are marked accordingly. Next, we're going to insert the mounting cup in. So this way. Next, we're going to put the mounting bracket on. Next, we're going to insert the switch into the opening. And now we can install the lock nut. Turn it manually, clockwise. And then tied it with the needle nose pliers. Now we can install the control panel back on. Just put these two tabs into the cutouts, bring it close to the cabinet, lift it up, put the two little plastic posts in the cutouts and push it down to lock in place. Then we're going to secure it with the two Phillips screws, one on each side. Now let's install the container on the rails and close the container. This extra washer is not used in our particular case. In a different installation it might be helpful, that's why it's supplied in the kit. If the old knob is in a good condition, just use it, push it in. If not, or it's missing, you can use one of the two which is supplied in the kit. See one which is matching perfectly with the up and down cut. This is the one. Well, if you don't like the look of the silver knob, you can order the original one, the black knob. The part number for the knob is WP987 1800. You can get it from appliancepartspros.com. And now when we're done, we can plug the trash compactor in or turn the power on at the circuit breaker. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by appliancepartspros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.